Today is not your lucky day, Ringo. I called your bluff, you old Billy boy. But I won't make the same mistake twice. Maybe I will.
Yeehaw! What can I say? It's time to unravel the nice buckshot for upcoming project. And let's see what it looks like. But here it is. Ain't that just dandy?
Right.
Well, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to customize it. I think I'm going to change the color of this, make it more dark wood, maybe a bit of steampunk gold. Damn, I'm sweating like a mountain goat. That's your... Oh, I like it already. Goes, and got the shells here. Yeah, let's get the shells out. Yeah, I'm just gonna try that again. 2 are in. Oh, I like it already. Now, pull the trigger. Okay. And eject. My favorite.
Yeah, I'm impressed with this, the way it looks, the way it feels. Yeah, you know, I roughened up the end of the barrels just to give it some kind of history, but we all know how this is going to end, right?